Government of Goa. I welcome all the delegates from 23 countries and their family once again in this beautiful tiny state of Goa. First of all, it's a very great moment, a proud moment to the Goa. And I am very much thankful to the Chess Federation of India and the Goa Chess Association who has put every effort for hosting this championship and who has imposed the faith on the government of Goa. As far as sporting beauty is concerned, Goa has been very instrumental for hosting great events, and especially the sports event last many years, where we can say, always my Honorable Chief Minister saying that Goa has got one S more in this sun, sand and one sports and tourism, where we are promoting our tourism by means of our sports. And unless and until you are not going to take the participation in these beautiful sports, maybe of any kind of discipline, and I will always say that chess is a game of a beauty and a brilliance. Intellectuality is very much important to guide and giving the directions to the Indian economy and as a world as a whole. Unless and until we do not compete with each other, we do not understand the depth or what is the height we have reached. But to organize a tournament, it requires immense effort, hard work, the sheer dedication. Then only it is possible us to host or to organize a beautiful event. My Goa, and especially the Syama Prasad Mukherjee Stadium, has got the immense facilities to promote and provide the beautiful requirements at the Syama Prasad Mukherjee Stadium, because this Syama Prasad Mukherjee was also a dream project of our then ex-Chief Minister, and today's this championship has been organized by the late in the name of late Shri Madhurbai Parrikar, who has been a very instrumental figure for getting this kind of infrastructure and promoting Goa in a sporting hub. I will also always say that all the kids, all the children, and as far as India is concerned, I think every alternate family is playing a chess at their home. In order to, discipline is very important in one's life. The thought process is very much important in playing the game. And it is the last moment we have to take the decision to give the last what I mean to say, the last breath to the game or full stop to the game. Unless and until we are not putting every effort or the dedication in the game, it's very difficult us to know who am I or what I can do. But most of the time, whenever we are playing the many kinds of a game or many discipline games in the different disciplines, the first negative thought process is coming: is it possible us or me to play that game? But I will rather say that I can do it, I can play it. And unless and until there is no thought process, positive thoughts are not coming in mind, it's very difficult to achieve the goal which has been set in front by us. But in the today's life, what I've always seen in the last so many years, that there are two Khalanayak, I will say, the negative people, I will say, the negative talk and the negative people around us. There is something, a negative talk within us. And there are people who always talk negatively, who is disgracing or to the prayer, or anybody who is going or march towards achieving the goal. And I will rather say that definitely everybody has got the immense thought process. He has totally has got willpower to march toward the goal. And unless and until we are not going to focus, I am ratherly continuously saying this, that the focus is very important in any kind of a game or any discipline. Unless and until if we are going to distract our focus, it is not possible us to target the opponent. And I will rather say the upcoming youth mind, not only from my Goa but all over the India, that you should never thought negatively. Because if any grandmaster, the world champion is playing against you, you have to always concentrate on the game of you and not the game of anybody who is playing for his comfort. But unless and until we are not coming out from the comfort zone and we are not putting us into the uncomfort situation, we are never going to get the victory in the chosen field. I wish to each and everyone who is going to participate in this chess championship all the best, and all the best to the Goa Chess Association. I know it's very difficult to organize this kind of event unless and until we do not have some sound financial condition. Elected member or the association which has been run by the few people and who is giving the platform to the upcoming minds. I request each and every the CSR people to look at the positive way to support sports. Unless and until your hands are not coming to support this kind of games or the association, it is very difficult us to create the platform. And unless and until we prove ourselves, then only many hands are going to come to support the game or to make move ahead from the achieving the goal. I once again assuring on behalf of the government of Goa and on behalf of my Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Ji Sawant to the GCA that every support whichever we have given in the past. And I have already spoken to the President, Mahesh Ji Khandolkar, who is a very instrumental person behind this organizing this tournament along with the other members. They were making the arrangement of this Grand Masters since last September. Every day they were in continuously touch with me. Hope everything will be going fine by another 8 or 9 days of time. And Goa will be a shining star in the sporting arena, and we can have that potential to host any kind of world championship, because after the 37th National Games, everybody is eyeing to host their own championship, the world championship I need to say, and they are eager to come down to the Goa, because everybody knows the Goan people are very polite, they have got a great respect and everyone, and we will continuously support in promoting, and I hope everybody is going to promote this sports. And to my all young minds, whoever come from across the world, I wish them a very comfortable stay. I wish them all the best in your chosen field and this particularly game. Come out with the flying colors. Let us come out from the box and the comfort zone to prove the great success in our chosen field. I take this opportunity to thank each and everyone present over here, and very much thankful to the organization, the GCA, who has given me this opportunity to speak two words in front of you. And once again, a great welcome on behalf of the government of Goa and beyond my personal capacity. I wish all the best to each and everyone. Thank you so much. Have a pleasant stay in the state of Goa. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for your passionate words and for emphasizing the importance of fostering a vibrant sports culture in Goa. We now reach the exciting moment of the inaugural move, a symbolic gesture that officially marks the beginning of this prestigious tournament. This is a moment of great significance as we watch the first move unfold, setting the tone for the games to come. To make this inaugural move, I would like to invite our Honorable Minister of Sports, Art and Culture, Govind Gauri sir, and the top seed of this tournament, Grandmaster Diptyan Ghosh, to the chessboard.
त्यांना फुल सेट करून
As the Honorable Minister of Sports, Art and Culture, Govind Gauri sir, and top seed of this tournament, Grandmaster Diptyan Ghosh, make the first move, we celebrate the start of what promises to be an unforgettable for tournament filled with fierce competition and inspiring moments.
एक मिनट सर एक मिनट
A big round of applause.
just take one knee back.